You must be invited by your employer to access QuickBooks Workforce. The invitation will come via email. Click the Get Started or Accept Invitation link in the email. If you haven't received an invite, contact your HR manager to resend it. Follow the link from your invite to create or sign in to an Intuit account. Use your email and a secure password. A verification code may be sent to your email or phone to complete setup. Download the QuickBooks Workforce app from Google Play Store, Android, Apple App Store, iOS. Sign in using your Intuit email and password. Visit workforce.intuit.com or open the app. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Complete any two-step verification if prompted. Once logged in, you can view pay stubs, access W-2 forms and tax documents, update your direct deposit information, if allowed, view or download your work schedules. Forgot your password? Use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Account locked? Wait 15 minutes or contact support. Need help? Call Intuit Support at 1-800-446-8848 or visit help.quickbooks.intuit.com.